Am I buying crypto right now? Absolutely not. A lot of people will get excited because the market is rallying 5-10% and they will automatically think it's time to buy. But where were you last week when prices were down big time? Why weren't you buying then? The problem with a lot of crypto investors is that they still rely on their emotions. When the market is green, everyone is excited and happy. But when the market is red, when it's actually time to buy, nobody seems to care. If you really want to make life-changing money, it doesn't matter if it's with crypto, with stocks, with real estate, you have to take emotions out of the game completely. Personally, I will be looking to exit some of the positions that I have been accumulating over the last month or so. Who knows, this rally might continue and we might have an amazing month, but in my opinion, it is not worth the risk. Hopefully in the next couple of months, we will see another downtrend and then might be the perfect time. Waiting for January. Like, follow, peace.